How to activate your Santander Bank debit card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate Santander Bank debit card. For this, you want to open up any web browser and search for Santander Bank debit card activation. Then tap on this option, which is how do I activate a card. Here, it's going to show you the method on how you can activate a debit card of Santander Bank. What you want to do first is log into your account. You can do that via website or through the Santander banking app. If you have logged in using a web browser, then on the top menu, click on the Accounts and Cards option. Then click on the Cards option. Now choose the card you wish to activate and select Activate Card. You will need a valid and active electronic signature to complete the process. The platform will ask you to add your signature. Now, if you're going to use the app, you want to first of all log into your account in the Santander app. Then go to Accounts Overview. Now select the card you wish to activate, where you will see the word Start to Use. This will bring up a screen where you can activate the card by entering your electronic signature. After the card has been activated, you will be notified via SMS or email. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.